Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command cd space c colon /. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.